Pure Vibes TV.
I can still sense the presence of Codex. I can feel him alive, but extracting Codex fully would be wrong for me. The extraction may be painful, but it will be exciting for the Unwag, the prison, and Clintar. Now it's time to get my revenge, Invada. You are at the top of that mist. Tell everyone that the King in Black is here. I admire your platinum and what will be done with my eternal darkness.
Believe me, we are on the same side. We are not a match for them. We need to get our everyone to attack that once. It will PR1 in on the chance.
You've got a god in your corner now? Great. Just one-eye Fully and Goo was the weirdest thing I'd ever deal with.
You used to be my grace, but now you're my greatest disappointment.